You look killer.
You're not so bad yourself.
Mwah.
Aww, come here. Mwah. That was intense.
Aww, he's my man. Whoa! Ugh, he can't stop looking at her. Better sit down for the show. Hey.
She's gonna show you,
How it's done.
milady.
I can't believe this is really happening to me. He went to her, just like that.
If she takes my boyfriend, I'll take her identity. Fly, little ones. Surprise, surprise. Ah! What are those? You can't get away with this. Watch me. You're under my control. I am.
Huh? Where did she go? Have you seen her?
She went that way. Let's go! We're coming, Mira! But Mira's coming with me. Time to… Ouch! Watch where you're going!
Huh?
Is that… what?
Give my friend back!
Or else, you'll do nothing. You'll forget everything you saw in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello! Let's be besties.
Fine, but only if you help me look like this doll.
You got it! Makeover time!
Whoa!
Welcome to my room!
It's spacious.
Wow, you have lovely hair. Shh! Hey, relax. You know I need to dye your hair, right? Trust me. Sit back and enjoy the transformation. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
I hope so.
This will be fun! Freestyle hair coloring is the best. Not a single blonde hair strand will be left. And done!
Wow, good job.
Aw, thanks! Next, styling. With this.
How's that gonna work?
Let me show you. It's like the best hair hack ever! You're welcome.
Genius.
Freeze!
Huh? What are you doing?
Oh, come on, girl. It's only a braiding tool. It won't hurt. See? This is so satisfying to watch. Hunter braids? Check. So, what do you think?
I think you're nailing this.
Yay! What are besties for? Oh, someone's at the door. Hello?
Happy birthday!
Aw, come in, you guys.
Oops.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Sorry.
We'll do this another time. Are you okay?
What do you think?
Let's wipe that off.
I'd punish her if she did it on purpose.
Then good thing she didn't. And hey, this is an opportunity to do your makeup. Heels, nails, blade, mascara. These shades are in your color season. Wow, you look gorgeous.
Thanks, and I feel gorgeous.
Huh. Nope. The fangs need to go.
No?
I won't take no for an answer.
Oh, whoa, feels so smooth.
Told ya.
I'll listen to whatever you say.
Then we can continue with #fashion. Nothing catches my eye so far.
Transformation selfie!
Not this.
Whoa! Help!
Huh? What was that? Are you all right? Oof, that must have hurt.
Ah!
Oh, perfect! This means snack time!
Huh? What the? Whoa, good idea! Yum!
Yep.
Bon appetit!
Oh, must be the delivery! I'll get the door. Thank you! Our clothing orders arrived!
Wow, so fast! I'll try them on!
Hope they fit.
So,
Nah.
how about this?
Wow, Or never mind.
I feel so strong.
What? No way!
This is it.
Agreed.
Clothes? Check. Phew! Great work, team.
Yeah.
A quick double check. Whoa! My skirt doesn't match!
Give me 1 second to fix that. Let's see. There must be an orange skirt somewhere here.
Let's hope so.
Aha! This will do the trick.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, you're right. But wait! We can turn it into a skirt! Using my tools for a good cause.
Awesome! You're really crafty. And it's just my size! Wow! I want one too! So pretty!
Yeah, you need one to be a hunter.
Huh? Do you knit?
No. Oh, but I craft! Looks like your wish is granted!
Wow! How did you…
Call it talent.
I know what it needs.
Good thinking. I'll quickly attach it, and done. Your hunter charm is ready.
Yay! The dress is complete!
We're nailing this, girl.
All thanks to you. Ouch!
Sorry, my bad. Wait a second. You don't have the right shoes. Let's take care of that. Come on, step inside the first box.
I don't know what to expect. Wow! Cool magic trick! Oh, so cute and comfy. Can I keep them on?
Unfortunately, no.
Wow! Princess heels! So chic and fancy. Whoa! But I can't walk in these. What do you think? Please agree?
You look so uncomfortable.
Glad we are on the same page. Wow! I think this is it. I feel so confident and strong in these.
Yes, slay. You look gorgeous.
Oh, I'm so happy.
If there's food, I will never not eat it. Freshly popped. Haha.
I want some. Buttery. What? Oh, I have no jewelry.
You called me? I got what you need.
Wow, so many.
Not so fast. See those targets? You need to prove your hunter skills first.
Ah.
That's so easy. Here, take these.
Yeah, speak for yourself.
You got this.
Come on, please. Huh, did you see that? Yeah!
Bravo. Here's the second one.
I can do this. Yeah! Will it hit? Huh, it did! I'm the best.
Good job.
Oh, the last one. The moment of truth. I can't fail. And I didn't. Yeah!
Here's your reward as promised. My work is done.
Bye!
Come on, let's check them out.
So edgy. Can't do without a necklace. More is more.
Perfect. Well, there's one last thing to do. Hope you're ready for this. Sing! We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Come on, your part is coming. You know, together, we're glowing.
Gonna be golden. That was so fun!
Smiley! One more. And post it for our fans.
So many likes!
Fans never disappoint.
I owe you for this. I got you a thank you gift!
Aww. What is… Whoa. Great gift.
Oh. Not the real action begins. Time to get out of here. Bye! I'm here, and I'm looking better than ever. Hey, handsome. Mwah!
Hey, gorgeous.
Oh, what? Where? Mira?
Finally, I'm back. That little.
I know where she went. You!
Uh-oh.
You can't fool anyone.
I'm seeing doubles.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. She's a fake. Pick me! I'm the real deal. No, me! You wouldn't dare.
That's enough!
Bite me. Me too. Please.
As you wish.
Me back. Well, I'm gonna need some refreshments. Out of the way. So, how about that kiss, handsome? Ew. Huh? He's turning them all into beautiful vampires. That's my dream. Hey, can you give me a kiss too? Ew. What a loser. How embarrassing.
Watch this. Let's get your seaweed out of the way.
Oh, yes. What the heck?
You'll never be like us.
You guys are so mean. Why do they hate me? Is it because I'm a nerd? I can't blame them. They probably don't get boogers like me. It's not fair. Why am I so ugly? Huh? What is that? Huh? A checklist to become a vampire? I need pale skin. But how? Maybe these seashells I got from the seashore can help me. I'll put all of them in this bowl. Then crush them all up until they turn into powder. That should be enough. It's perfect. Whoops. Huh? I'm pale. Wow. Now let's put some color back on my face. None of those lame mermaid colors, please. Oh, how about some red? Huh? Maybe some black too? Thank you. Now let's get to painting. I'll take a little bit of red and draw some squiggly lines under my eyes. Next, I'll dip it into some black paint and paint it on my eyelids and my brows. Finally, add some gems to make it three-dimensional. Huh? Wow! Looking fierce. But my lips are still pale. There must be something I could use. No! Surely there's a lipstick in here somewhere. Huh? How did that get in there? Nope. Paper? No. This? No. Aw, a doll. Not today. What a bummer. Huh?
Hey, over here!
What?
Hands up!
Oh, is that for me? Thank you. First, I'll pop it in my mouth to get the colors. Huh? Oh. Then I'll swipe it across my lips. And voila! We've got a bloody red lip. What's more vampiric than that? Get off of me, you mean jellyfish! Somebody help! Oh my god! Maybe there's hope for my hair. They say aloe vera does wonders, even for electrified hair. I'll extract the juice out of this plant and brush it all over my hair. I'll go over it a couple of times until I brush out the tangles. Then I'll take some hair from the front and tie it at the back. That's what I call a killer hairstyle. Huh? How did you get in here? What the? Let go of me! Ow! Oh, slay! You look better on my head. I look like a vampire princess. Oh, wow! But I'm still missing some fangs. Oh, Mr. Beast, how can I be more like you? Ugh, stinky! I've got a simple solution to that. 2 chewing gums will do the trick. I look silly.
Hey there!
Hi, SpongeBob.
Is that your teeth?
You have it too. Hey, watch this. It's gum.
That's so. This is what you get for mocking me. Whoops! I made a huge mistake.
Wait a sec. I've got fangs now. Oh. This vampire life is fun. Oh, before we continue with the makeover, make sure you subscribe and like the video while you're at it. Great, thanks.
Yar!
Monster!
It's just me!
Oh, Sebastian.
Huh? You look different.
Do I? Oh, it's just makeup.
Great! I got you flowers.
Oh, thank you. Heavenly. Huh? But what's this? Huh?
What about the flowers?
I'd much rather have this. Uh-oh.
A third eye?
Hey, stop it! Knock it off!
Wow!
Thank you.
Wow!
Whoops.
Shiver me timbers, the treasure chest!
Oh, thank you, thank you. Make sure you get my good angle. Oh, this crown, it's designer. It was just a dream? What happened? My crown! There you are. This outfit is not giving vampire. What am I gonna do? Time to go shopping. Retail therapy never hurt anybody. No! That looks lame. Where am I gonna get new clothes? Ouch! Oh, there's the chest from earlier. What treasures do they have in here? Wow! Jackpot! It is just like the one in my dream. Or should I say, it's my dream outfit? Oh, beautiful! But it's missing something. A bloody red necklace. Oh, I ate with this one. Let me put on some gloves. Don't want to get my hands dirty. I'll pull it over my left arm. And the right. Now I'm ready. I look terrifying. Oh no! My scales are all the wrong color. Good thing I can change it with a swipe of my hand. Perfect. Every detail of this outfit is simply amazing. Bow down, vampires. Your new queen has arrived, and she's thirsty for blood. Let's go!
And then I bit him.
Who is she?
Huh? Oh, me? I'm new in town. Rawr.
Whoa.
Anyone want to show me around?
Wow. Let's take a selfie. We can't hang out.
Hey, girls? What? What?
Another one? Where did you get your hair done?
Hey,
Hi.
look.
Is that picture of me? Whoa.
OMG. Wow.
Come, I'll teach you my ways.
What just happened? Oh, wait!